Hello everyone and welcome back. You know who it is. It's Creative Redundancy back again here with another Canadian winter snow video. So much snow. Snowbank. This is actually down to the ground. That's where the grass would be if it was spring or whatever. And the top is about at least 2.5 feet, maybe coming up to 3 feet tall. Lots and lots of snow. So that's a snowbank right there. And to think that's not even the tallest I've ever seen it. I've seen snowbanks taller than people. Today we had maybe about 10, 11 inches of snow. Current temperature is about minus 14 Celsius, which is about 7 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the wind, which is an Arctic wind chill coming in from the north, makes the temperature feel like minus 22 or about minus 7 degrees Fahrenheit out. We didn't even break any record today at all. Back in '99, which is about almost 20 years ago, we actually had 42 centimeters of snow or about 16 inches of snow. So, is this bad? It's been worse. So as the world changes so much oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Alright guys, until the next video from me, it's peace out from the guy that's always in creation mode. CR. Peace out.